Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I'm making a video about this right here. This is called Kiss Express. Now Kiss Express can level up your game in this industry and you could have more crisper haircuts, a lot more clients, and you can stand out from the rest of the barbers around you, okay? All you would need is this, and maybe a little bit of alcohol and a container to mix everything in, okay? Now the first thing you would do is buy a little container to mix Kiss Express and rubbing alcohol. Any clear rubbing alcohol. So what I would suggest you do is to get some of this and pour maybe, let's just say 6 or 7 drops of this, 6 or 7 drops of alcohol, okay? In that little container. When I mean drops, I mean pour about 3 seconds worth, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's it, okay? Then get some rubbing alcohol, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, since you have the alcohol and the Kiss Express mixed together, what I would need you to do is pour it into your airbrush gun. Now your airbrush gun would look like this. There's tons of different kinds of airbrush guns. You got some that have this thing right here on top that's plastic. There's some with a metal piece to it. There's some that are cordless. The one I used to use was the Master Airbrush gun. You can find it on Amazon. You can actually find this on Amazon as well. Very simple to find. They're really cheap. You got some pricey ones. You got some expensive ones. You got some cheap ones. It's all up to you. You got the ones with the compressors. You got the one without the compressor. This is a cordless one with the little compressor, okay? This works good enough for me. All right, now what I need you to do is, once you mix the solution of alcohol and Kiss Express, I want you to pour it here in your spray gun, put the top on it, mix it up real good, and hit the trigger. Okay, once you spray the trigger, what happens is the airbrush, the Kiss Express solution will come out of the airbrush, the front of the airbrush, and there you go. Now, this little machine right here will transform your haircuts from regular mediocre haircuts to really nice, crisp looking haircuts. Now, of course, you got to be able to cut hair. You got to know the basics of haircutting, okay? You got to be able to draw a straight line with your clipper and give your clients a really good hairline, okay? And then after that, what you would do is take a piece of cardboard, whether it's a flyer or just any straight edge piece of it could be a business card, it could be a club flyer, it could be anything, okay? It could be a piece of mail, whatever it is. Just as long as there's a straight line on the edge, you position it right on the forehead and you spray right above, and you make sure you line up the piece of cardboard with the client's hairline. Do the same thing with the corners, and you spray it with the airbrush machine. Bam, there you go. You go from being a regular barber to above average barber, okay? Now this machine right here shouldn't be everything that you use to help you. You shouldn't have to use this on every haircut. You use these on the haircuts where your clients have a thinning hairline. If your client has a really nice looking hairline and they're young and they have a real good hairline, you don't have to use this unless they ask for it. But it's all up to you and your client, whatever you decide to do. I suggest that you just use this on people that request it. And like I said, this will definitely transform and up your barber game. And you could actually charge more for this service. I personally don't, but you can, and you can make a lot more money in this barber game. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to add me on Instagram, which is custom_made_cuts. That's custom_made, MADE_cuts. Find me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace.